This is a town of Yegu from above, and you can see there's blue tents everywhere. That's the semi-permanent housing, unfortunately, for so many of the people here. And there's just been such incredible devastation. You can pick out the blue tents all over, and they go all the way up the valley. And the problem is that you can see there's lots of buildings still standing, but almost all of them are going to have to be taken down. They've all been destroyed in the earthquake. We've been up here filming at the monastery, and it is absolutely decimated. And they have thousands of years of beautiful antiquities that have been buried in the rubble that they're going to have to dig out and find. And it's just been such a powerful way to see this city from up above in sort of this bird's eye view. You can see would have been such a beautiful, beautiful spot.